The wind is too strong. We can't control the boat. Water is getting in. We're sinking. Where's Jesus? He's sleeping in a storm like this. Lord, save us. We're going to die. We're going to drown.
Why are you so afraid? Do you still have no faith?
Peace. Be still.
The storm, it stopped.
Even the wind obeys him.
Who is this man?
Trust in me. No storm is greater than my power.
When fear rises like a storm, remember, I am with you.